Hey y'all, welcome to My Kinky Roots, and I am so excited to start my 12 Days of Christmas series. So this series is just going to include a lot of styles and tips. And today's tip, we're going to be talking about the major key to moisture. So if you want to see what my key to moisture is, stay tuned. Here it is, y'all, the aloe vera plant, not the juice, but the actual plant. And if you're wondering where to get this, I got my plant from Walmart. Other than the aloe vera plant, I just use plain water in my spray bottle. So as y'all can see, my hair is hella dry. Like, I am overdue for a wash day. Like, look at this. Just a dry, hot mess. But it's okay, because I got something for that. So I have sectioned my hair off into smaller sections, and I've already cut my aloe vera plant. So when you cut the plant, you want to make sure that you cut it into slices. So like I cut maybe about 5 or 6 slices the long way, and then take those slices and cut the slices in half to expose the inside of the plant. So now I'm just working the water into my hair. I just want to make sure that I work the water into my hair as much as possible before using the plant. So here's what the slice actually looks like. It can be a little gooey, or I guess that's the word you would use for, due to the inside of the plant. So when you're about to apply the plant to your hair, you want to poke the surface of the plant to let the gel from the inside come to the surface, because that's what you want to get on your hair. And then you just rub it through your hair and work it into your hair. Simple as that. And y'all, it's like instant moisture, instant shine. Like, my hair looks completely different with just the plant in the water. Like, literally no other products. I love it. Another reason why I like to use the aloe vera plant as my pre-poo step is because look how easily it is for me to detangle my hair. Simply putting the water, working the water through, working the plant through my hair, and it has such great slip, y'all. Look at it. Ooh. Clearly, I almost forgot the last step, y'all. So I do sometimes put oil on my hair after I work the plant in, to just kind of seal in as much of that moisture as I can while my pre-poo is setting before I wash my hair. So now I'm just going to continue to show the full process of me applying the aloe vera plant to my hair. And y'all, like, once I started using this, I was like, I know I have to keep this in my hair routine. I know it makes my wash days a little bit longer than I would have liked, but it makes detangling so much easier, and I just love how moisturized it makes my hair look and feel. It is definitely worth it. And the aloe vera plant from Walmart costs like $1, and I think like maybe 80 cents, so less than $2. Granted, I do have to buy a new one each week, but I just get it when I go grocery shopping for the week. And for me, y'all, it is well worth it, y'all. So I just wanted y'all to get a close-up look of the hot mess versus the defined, moisturized, popping curls that I get from the aloe vera pre-poo. Thank y'all for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and of course subscribe. Y'all, there's so much more to come from my 12 days of Christmas series, and I cannot wait to share more tips and styles with y'all over the course of these 12 days. So thank you, and stay tuned for more from My Kinky Roots. Bye, y'all.